When you're focusing in on inflation, the Federal Reserve knows this. They're like, okay, we know inflation's high because of oil and energy. You might be saying, okay, how do they know that? Well, we actually get economic numbers that show us this. So if you look at the news we're going to get tomorrow, you're going to see some numbers through here. The PCE. Sounds a little familiar, right? Well, that's what the Federal Reserve looks at, the PCE. Well, here's what we get tomorrow. We get a number down through here at the bottom that just says the PCE. That includes everything. Okay, let's look at the number. Last reading, they showed us on the chart 2.8. They're expecting it to go to 3.5. A huge move. Okay, so this is telling us the PCE with the Federal Reserve watches, it's way above 2. It's not going to go anytime soon. Well, let's look at if we strip out food and energy, because we know energy's spiked because of the war, what's the inflation numbers look like? Well, it's interesting. You go to Thursday and we're going to get core. What core does is it pulls out food and energy. Okay, this takes in energy as much as consideration as the CPI, and I'll get to that in a second. But if you're looking at the PCE and you look at core, well, the last reading was 0.4, and they expected to go to 0.3. Actually, that's down. And then the PCE year over year, 3 to 3.2. Well, yeah, that's high, but it wasn't a huge spike like we saw in a lot of the other stuff.